Exploring the shift of the Federal Reserve to the Treasury Department under Trump's presidency. During Donald Trump's presidency, a significant change occurred in the United States financial landscape. The Federal Reserve, the country's central banking system, underwent a transition by being moved under the purview of the Treasury Department. This move sparked debates and discussions among economists, policymakers, and the general public. In the next few minutes, we will explore the reasons behind this decision and its potential implications. Background: the Federal Reserve, often referred to as the Fed, is an independent entity established in 1913 to provide stability and flexibility to the U.S. monetary system. It operates independently from the government to avoid political interference in its decision-making processes. The Fed's primary responsibilities include conducting monetary policy, supervising and regulating banks, and maintaining financial stability. Reasons for the transition. 1. Centralization of power. One of the main reasons behind the move was to consolidate power and enhance coordination between the Treasury Department and the Federal Reserve. By bringing the Fed under the Treasury's umbrella, the Trump administration aimed to streamline decision-making processes and ensure better alignment between fiscal and monetary policies. 2. Increased accountability. Critics of the Federal Reserve argue that its independence shields it from public scrutiny and accountability. By placing the Fed under the Treasury Department, the Trump administration sought to increase transparency and oversight. This move aimed to make the Federal Reserve more accountable to elected officials and the American people. 3. Policy alignment. President Trump had been critical of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions, particularly regarding interest rates. By moving the Fed under the Treasury Department, it was believed that the administration could exert more influence over monetary policy, aligning it with the president's economic agenda. 4. Economic stimulus. Another potential reason for the transition was to facilitate coordination between fiscal and monetary policies during times of economic crisis. By having the Federal Reserve and the Treasury Department working more closely together, it was anticipated that they could respond more effectively to economic downturns and implement coordinated stimulus measures. Implications and criticisms. 1. Threat to independence. Critics argue that moving the Federal Reserve under the Treasury Department undermines its independence, potentially exposing it to political pressures. The independence of the central bank is considered crucial to maintain credibility and ensure sound monetary policy decisions. 2. Perception of political interference. The move raised concerns about potential political interference in monetary policy decisions. The Federal Reserve's credibility rests on its ability to make decisions based on economic data and analysis, free from political influence. 3. Uncertainty and market reaction. Any significant change in the structure and functioning of the Federal Reserve can create uncertainty in financial markets. Investors closely monitor central bank actions, and any perceived interference or lack of independence may lead to market volatility. Conclusion. The decision to move the Federal Reserve under the Treasury Department during Trump's presidency was a significant development in the U.S. financial landscape. While proponents argued that it would enhance coordination and accountability, critics expressed concerns about threats to the Fed's independence and potential political interference. The long-term implications of this transition remain uncertain, and it will be crucial to closely monitor the relationship between the Treasury Department and the Federal Reserve in the years to come.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.